Hello everyone, this is my review of the OXO Good Grips 12-inch thongs. These thongs have nylon tips, and right now you can see that they are closed. You can keep them closed or you can have them spring-loaded opened. You just press down the back lever there and it opens them up. So when you're storing them, it makes it easy that you can keep it closed so it doesn't spring out the drawer and stuff. So they're pretty good. I'll demonstrate using them. Okay, I got some grapes here. I'll pick them up, eat that grape. And I'll pick this one up, eat it. So you can use it for moving around your food. I like to use them when I'm cooking bacon. I hope this review helps.